Howdy everybody, my name is Harley Reg McDaniel Jr. and welcome to podcast number 27, where we welcome all seekers of truth in science and optimal health. For the next several podcasts, we're going to continue to talk about a series of publication studies in the Fisher Proceedings Journals involving human studies. To be part of this journal, the gold standard is that this must be duplicatable and have occurred with several people in several different states before it can be published. I now quote from Volume 2, Number 1, page 6 and 7, where we learn of how consumption of glyconutrients significantly assists in the killing of both Staphylococcus, aureus, and E. Coli, which are both life-threatening. Conducted blindly so that the investigators did not know the identity of the compounds, each experiment was repeated 3 times. A higher non-toxic dose caused a 30% killing of both bacteria. Another study was published on page 9 involving the 34-year-old Olympic bobsled driver. Using performance capacity measurement instruments, performance capacities were very high, meaning at baseline there was little room for performance. Nonetheless, small increases were still observed, primarily in speed-related capacities over the 2-month period. This is significant when dealing with 1/100th of a second better time in Olympic events. On page 12, we learn of a longitudinal trial involving changes in body composition involving 289 patients. DEXA testing, body composition improvements, and adding losses of body fat to gains in fat-free mass, or in other words, in fat-free lean body mass to lost fat ratios, which obviously is a very good thing to have more lean muscle and less fat. It was concluded that the meta-analysis used in this study provides evidence that incorporation of the nutraceuticals used in this study with a behavior modification plan resulted in significant losses of body weight and body fat, as well as improvements in body composition. Loss of body fat, increase of lean muscle mass. This was a 5-year study. Ascend Sciences International now provides these glyconutrients and nutraceuticals so that the majority of you can get the same results with proper diet and exercise. Well, we're all out of time again today, so if you want to cut to the chase, ask the person who invited you to my podcast the questions you have to get the answers you need to see if you'd like to get involved with these incredible products. And I hope you will share my podcast with your friends, because I only provide scientifically proven, life-changing, and life-saving information every single time. To close, as usual, I wish to end with a parable by a Quaker named John Greenleaf Whittier. I lift thee, and thee lift me, and together we ascend. See y'all next time.